That looks like that.
Hold on. And so I'm trying to focus on my computer, but I'm watching you. So where are you right now? Man, I don't know.
One second. I want to see something.
It's like no lag either.
That is actually scary.
You should call Shade on Skype and he won't notice anything. Wait, do you have like a black cloth that I can like hang behind me? Either way, we don't need it.
I need it.
And then just like out of nowhere, like you just like walk into the frame. Hey, here's something up.
Stop. Oh, 1 second, it's lagging. Wow, look out behind that. What?
That lag for a moment was really, really bad. Okay, so why can't I hear you through my headphones?
Because I've been recording the whole time.
Seriously?
I recorded that.
That's awesome.
I just broke my bed. Oh god. Everybody. That is fantastic.
When he says he broke it, he literally broke it.
He broke me more. 1 second. Let me. I want to see this. How it looks like when I try and fix it.
All right, hold on. Frozen. Go for it. Fix it.
Johnny Hall.
Well, you can watch yourself.
Shit. This lag is phenomenal. Let me pick it.
Watch him strain his back. Now, people, the light.
I will show you the people from our school. Don't.
You know, we're gonna have those awkward fans later in life who are like zooming in to find out who these people are.
There it is. I'll try and find us. Let's just see who's on here. If you're on here.
Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka.
Post recording, everybody. This is fantastic.
So, should we talk about what we're about to do?
Oh, sure, yeah.
What are we about
try and
to
look
do?
at that thing. We're about to do a Hexxit survival. Hexxit is a Minecraft compilation of mods. It basically it has everything from. Does it have Galacticraft in it? I'm not sure. Does it?
No.
Oh, well,
it's all magic based and
like RPG.
It's more RPG.
RPG.
Yeah.
And you can make desks, so you can have like an office of panes.
Son, I'm going to be an archer. You know why? Rope arrows. You know why? Because fuck you.
Magic.
Magic.
Be mage.
He's gonna be a mage. Are you gonna be a tech row mage?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna be an office mage. I'm gonna have like a desk. I'm gonna have like a
You're
desk.
gonna have a wand that spawns desks. Typewriter. Because screw technology.
Dude, my like magic scrolls will be like computer manuals. Like have like staples on the side.
So for everyone wondering, yes, I'm knitting tape.
I'm not.
Yes, he is.
Boom. Okay.
So I think this was a
Don't
good post recording.
Oh.
I think this was good post recording. Get over here.
I
damn it.
think it's pre-recording.
Who cares?
Who cares? Yeah.
It'll come out when it comes out. So.
By the way, the computer's over there. That's why we keep looking that direction.
Yeah, if you're wondering, we're literally watching ourselves,
Yeah,
watching you.
I'm gonna be on that computer,
So we're
and
literally
he's gonna be on that one.
when you thing of itself because it like
saw itself.
It saw itself, so like
Quick, turn it away. Quick, turn it away. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the pixelation on that. Oh my god, you're terrifying. You're like all pixelated and fuck. Oh my god, that's the most terrifying.
Next generation.
That is the most terrifying thing.
My computer looks nice. Your computer looks stupid.
Yeah, I don't know what mine's doing. What the hell? Oh. Is that actually a burp?
Yes. So, shall we stop the recording and get ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, everyone. See you on Hexxit.
1 FPS. By the way.